Tired of manually juggling tasks in your school community? This video will show you how to seamlessly link Zapier to Skool, unlocking a world of automation that will free up your time and supercharge your community engagement. First, you'll need to grab your Skool API key to do this. Log into your Skool account, navigate to your community settings, and find the Integrations or API section. Copy your unique API key keep it safe and don't share it publicly. Now, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Choose your trigger app This is the app that will initiate the action in Skool. Popular options include Google Sheets for adding new members from a spreadsheet, or a payment processor like Stripe to trigger actions after a successful purchase. Next, select Skool as your action app. You'll be prompted to connect your Skool account. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field and authorize the connection. Now for the magic, choose your desired action in Skool, like adding a new member. Map to data from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in Skool. For example, map the email address from your Google Sheet to the email field in the Skool action. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Zapier will send a test request to Skool, and you should see the action reflected in your community. Once you are happy with the configuration, turn your Zap on. Now, whenever the trigger event occurs, Zapier will automatically perform the action in Skool, freeing you to focus on what matters most: building a thriving community.